to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your keyboard. So first you want to get this app face emoji if you don't already have it. I'm not going to pay because you don't exactly need to pay. I'm going to create my own keyboard. Yeah, I think I'll do it from a unicorn because this unicorn's pretty. I like this bubble one, so I'm going to do the bubble ones. And yeah, I'll just use that one. But you can customize the brightness, and I think that's pretty good. But there are a bunch of fonts that you can use. This one, I like this one. So, and then you can change the color of it. I just picked that color, but there's effects too. So when you type, it like makes these effects. I'm just gonna select one that I like. There's not a ton of them, but I think, honestly, it doesn't give you a ton of options. So you don't need to use any sounds if you don't want to, but you can. I usually don't use sounds because I never use my volume for some reason unless I'm watching a video. So I'm just randomly typing letters, but yeah. So that's how you create your custom keyboard.